วัสดีครับวันนี้เราอยู่กับWhat's your name sir What's your name What's your name sir Sir What's your name Sir What's your name
Brian Little.
What score are you gonna make today
21.
Are you gonna dunk on him like a kid
Of course. It's a no-brainer.
Damn What about you What do you think about him
Oh, so tough.
Bro
You like an NBA, man.
Hey, oh my god
I mean, I'm gonna change genders and go in the WNBA.
What the fuck
Yo, I'm gonna tell you something. You look like Clay Thompson, man.
Clay Thompson. That's actually
Clay Thompson but in a gay version
Yeah, exactly.
I am Julian Newman.
Yo
But small. Julian
More
Newman.
Julian man Oh my god
It's crazy. It's such a small world.
Oh my god, it's small world. Right now it's gonna be tough. Today we have Clay Thompson with a gay person and Julian Neiman is a gay person, but he's shorter. Who's gonna win? Let's see it.
Guys, we're back on the court. It's Tuesday or Wednesday. I'm not quite sure. We have JK on our team, who's right here, 3-point specialist. Yes, sir. And we have Jesus from Vegas. And we have Harry and then Aaron over there. That's our starting five. We're gonna dominate these courts until the lights turn off. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna dunk on these guys and show them how it's done.
Hit that three. Oh shit. Damn. Dunking. Oh, good steal. Good pass. ไอสัตว์บอลมาเก็บบ้างคุยมือขวาก็ว่างนี่สแกนดังเลยชิตทีมขาดปะ
Gloves in the check nets. High five.
Right. Hey.
Let's go.
Go.
Winners. All right, guys. It's mid-game. We need a power up. Got this nuts right here. Instant 200 test boost.
Game time.
Aaron's player of the game.
แต่ไม่เอา
ถึงเวลาเริ่มเฮ้ยนี่เขามีช็อต
It's that defense, baby.
เท่าไหร่
เย้ get that shit up
กูถ่ายแล้วรู้ไม่ดีเลย
You almost killed me, man. My mom still want me to go to university. I'm gonna die for you, like, baby.